Let's hope that I come back with this in my hands this time and not on the roof. So funny story, that video is gonna drop a little bit later. That was quite an interesting one. And it just shows you, no matter how much experience you have with drones, things will happen. Things will happen. So I want to quickly test this new Flip drone and just want to show you how cool this little drone is. It's a really, really unique product. It folds away, it's got a gimbal guard on, and the big thing about it is when you unfold it, it actually comes on. So if you look at this, I'm going to hold it like that. You can see there. So it's coming on automatically and it's up and running fairly quickly. So it's the first time I'm going to be linking this controller to that. So let's quickly have a look here. We go firmware version too early. We might need to actually do a firmware version update here. Okay, that's quick. Shouldn't be too difficult to download. There we go. It's always advised to rather do these updates, guys, because at the end of the day, you don't want any incompatibility issues to affect your flying experience. So let's quickly let her do this. I know we're excited to fly this, but let's rather make sure we do everything right. 84%. Let's see how quickly this happens. You can see from the flashing here that it's in the process as well of updating. Here we go. Turn off, turn on. Okay. Looking good. Feel a small vibration. Good to go. Let's see. All right. Now let's have a look and see.
Medium, follow, 3, 2.
No, we definitely don't want medium follow right now. Okay. Controller. Connect to aircraft. Let's see. There we go. Quickly just getting these two linked up. SD card detected. Switch storage. Yes, let's do that. Okay, let's go put this out here. What I like about the Flip is you feel confident flying it anyway, just because it's got these propeller guards. Okay, let's see what options it gives us here. Photos, videos, quick shot, all that's good. We're just waiting for it to get some satellites. There's the other thing, guys, like it's got a nice vertical way of shooting, which is nice for us to add some footage into what we're doing with this particular clip that we're filming now. So we can switch it to full horizontal, you'll have full 4K 30, and then if you switch it to Flip, it utilizes a part of the sensor and it brings it down to 2.7K 30. But what is nice is that it's actually throwing these vertical lines out, so it's just cropping into the sensor, but it's really nice because you don't have to try and visualize it without it actually being on your screen. So right now it's really easy for us to see what we're filming. Okay, home point recorded. Let's go for it. Okay, it's catching on something here. Okay, let's see if we can do a hand launch here. Alrighty, I'm not going to do that now. There we go. And the nice thing about the Flip is because it's got those guards, you don't have to worry that it's going to cut your fingers or catch your fingers. So let's film this on the drone and then I can switch to some of the footage here. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go back so that it's not so in the Okay. Right, so that's exactly where I am. And I can select that area. Okay, it's not happy with that area. Oh well, there it is. Okay. So as I'm going up, it's going to focus on that area specifically. And that makes for a nice smooth transition when we're flying it. Again, it's so nice to be able to have the vertical window put on the screen so that we know exactly what we're filming. It doesn't make it difficult to visualize. Sometimes when we use the older drones, you've got to visualize a window there that's not there because it's using the full sensor, and then you've got to crop in afterwards. So we used to actually take tape and put them over there. So that was a nightmare. So now you can see that this is just, okay, strong wind detected, that's okay. We're aware of that. Okay, let's take this back, and we've got a section we are locked onto. And it keeps locked onto that subject, which is quite nice. So yeah, it's a quiet Saturday here. We just get a little bit of time, and allows us to play with some of the drones that we sell and use every day. So the quality on this drone is really, really good. And the fact that it's so easy to fly, again, I say to guys, you know, like if my drone's easy to fly, I'm going to use it all the time. If it becomes difficult to fly, I'm not going to use it all that often. So, you know, this Flip is really built all around convenience. So I think that's the big thing, you know, we want to make sure that it's as convenient as possible to fly, because then we'll use it more frequently. Let me just quickly put this on Do Not Disturb. Okay, there we go. Right, so let's just have a look here quickly. And again, you know, like it's got all the normal features that you get with most of the new drones. There it's selecting me at the moment. You can do active track, you can do point of interest. It's really, really nice. So you're going to find everything that you need in this small little drone. And you can see, you know, like the fact that it's got these propeller guards. Look here, look how easy that is. It's unbelievable. And again, if I take off just with one hand, just hold it like this. Don't have to be worried that it's going to catch my fingers or capture anything in the way. There we go. Look at that. Makes it easy for me. I really enjoy it when things are easy to use. When things are easy to use, then it's fun to fly it. So here I'm going through a really tight space, but it's fun, it's easy. It doesn't give me any issues because I got the confidence of the propeller guards to take me through whatever spaces I'm flying through. So if you look at this is a really tight little spot here. But again, I'm not worried about my props getting caught in a bush so through everything I'm flying here, it's quite easy. So I can just take it through there. I know that if I miscalculate, my propeller guards are going to keep me safe. So quite easy. See, like here for example, it's a really nice spot. Sometimes this is exactly where you want to fly. There's a river on the other side and you want it to cause like a nice reveal. And you can take it through here. Look how tight this is. And it's a really tough one to fly through. And it's simple, you know, you've got the confidence to know, listen, I'm going to fly through here. I'm not going to get it hooked up on anything. It's nice and easy. Bring it back, no issue. So there we go. Nice and easy. The Flip, great little drone to use. It's a nice looking drone as well. Quite futuristic. It's got follow sensors, it's got avoidance technology, everything you want. A little bit of internal storage. And again, it's so easy to fly. Look how easy it is for me to catch at one end. And it's as simple as that. Let me stop my recording. And then again, simple to put away. Just like this. Look at that. Just like that. The drone is folded away. That's a great little drone. Look at that. Hey? Absolutely incredible. So guys, if you're in the market for one of these, we are here in Durban in Merrington Park. We ship all over South Africa. Anywhere in South Africa, we'll send the drone to you. You're buying from somebody that's real, somebody that's got a store, somebody that's going to pick up the phone and help you when they are not flying. And we are going to make sure that you get the drones that you need. So come and see us at our business, UAVGEAR. Pop in. And as you can see here today, we've always got stuff happening here. Sizwe is busy booking in so many things. Sizwe, I just tried this little drone and it flies so nicely. And if you look at Sizwe, he is busy booking in a Mavic 3 Enterprise. We have a customer that have had some problems with this small crash that's taken place. This is used at a game farm, so it's a piece of equipment that can't be with us for too long, so we're going to make sure we look after this. Here's all the batteries. Sizwe is on it.